In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix FaceTime that's not working on an iPhone 12 or later. FaceTime is an essential tool for staying connected with friends and family, so when it stops working, it can be pretty frustrating. But don't worry, we'll walk through some straightforward steps to get it back up and running. First and foremost, let's ensure that you have a strong internet connection. FaceTime requires a decent Wi-Fi or cellular network to function properly. If you're experiencing issues, double check that your device is connected to a reliable network. You might consider moving closer to your Wi-Fi router or switching to another network to see if that resolves the problem. Next, we'll take a look at your iPhone's software version. Keeping your iOS updated is crucial as it often includes fixes for known issues and improves overall performance. To check for updates, head to Settings, tap on General, and then select Software Update. If there is an update available, go ahead and install it. This might be the key to fixing your FaceTime troubles. Now let's ensure that FaceTime is enabled on your device. Sometimes it might get turned off accidentally. Go to Settings, then scroll down to find FaceTime within the Apps section. Once there, make sure that the toggle for FaceTime is switched on. If it was off, turn it back on and see if this resolves the issue. Another small yet significant adjustment is to check your date and time settings. Incorrect date and time can sometimes affect how apps like FaceTime function. Navigate to Settings, tap on General and select Date and Time. Ensure that Set Automatically is enabled so your device can synchronize accurately. Next on the list is disabling low power mode. While this feature is fantastic for conserving battery life, it can sometimes restrict certain functionalities, including FaceTime. Go to Settings, tap on Battery, and then ensure that low power mode is turned off. It's also worth checking if FaceTime is being restricted inadvertently on your phone. For this, go to Settings, select Screen Time, and then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure FaceTime is allowed, if not, enable it from here. If you've tried all these steps and FaceTime still isn't working, resetting your network settings might do the trick. Bear in mind though that this will erase your saved Wi-Fi passwords. Go to Settings, tap on General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone, then Reset, and finally choose Reset Network Settings. Finally, if none of these steps have resolved the issue, it might be time to contact Apple support for further assistance. They have the experts on hand to help diagnose and fix more complex issues. By following these steps, I hope you'll have FaceTime working smoothly on your iPhone 12 or later in no time. Thanks for watching, and good luck.